Hi everybody, quick tutorial video using the day trading bundle, and I'm using it on the Ninja Trader platform. I want to go through some settings first. So this is Euro Japanese yen. It's on the 15-minute Heikin-Ashi type of chart, averaging candles. Heikin-Ashi candles are very important when we're using the XBrat. It doesn't affect the harmonic patterns at all because the pivots are the same, but it affects the XBrat, and this is what we are interested in, because what we're going to do is show you how to combine all of the indicators in the bundle to get very high probability trades. So this is the Ninja Trader version. First thing, the setting I have for the EMA Cloud is 34 EMA. It's just a standard setting. It comes as default with there. We're on a 15-minute time frame, so that's a good EMA. We're looking at this short here on Euro Japanese yen, and we can see on the top left where my cursor is here, we've got a crab pattern form, and it completes in the automated completion zone. Remember, when that happens, that's a high probability resulting trade. So the crab pattern is colored in red, so we're looking for resulting short. We need to make sure that those overlaps are very difficult to draw on your chart, and it makes it very messy. So we do this automatically, and there are overlaps of fib extensions and fib retracements during an ABC correction. So they're quite complex, but when that D wave does complete into that automated completion zone, which it does where my cursor is now, there's a high probability of that resulting trade happening. But not only that, we can see the divergence cloud going from green and it's turning red around about where my cursor is here. But then we get a 5-star sell signal on the XBrat here, okay? Then we get a 6-star. So there's plenty of opportunities here to enter. For me, the 5-star signal is the one to take because we've already had the harmonic pattern complete. We want to get into this as early as possible. So 5-star signal is the one that we want to take to actually get in. So I'm going to draw the entry line there. So 5-star signal candle closes. So we want to be entering just below that candle there. Okay, that is our entry, just below that signal candle. Now, you could be conservative and wait for the 6-star, but for me, again, because we're combining the indicators in this bundle, we've already got some confidence in that harmonic patterns completed. We've got the 5-star, and the divergence cloud has turned red. So the divergence cloud is your confirmation. Within the bundle, you've got harmonic and XBrat, and you can trade them separately, and they're both signal generators. And then your confirmation, if you like, is this cloud that you see here, this confirmation cloud. So we've got that formed. We into this trade, and then we use the EMA Cloud, the blue EMA Cloud, to manage this trade. So if we just move this along a little bit, we can see that we had a great move down. One of the things to manage this trade is it's a high probability trade, and it's quite a big parabolic move here. So one of the things we look at pretty much straight away is when this price action and the EMA Cloud go through the top of the EMA Cloud, goes short, goes through the entry. That's where our trailing stop should be here. So we're risk free, if you like. Let's just turn that all the way out to there. Okay, and let's change that to a different color. So this would be the same on a lot of the platforms. It just looks slightly different. So let's go for orange red. Okay, so this is our trailing stop, and then all we do is we wait for pivots to test. It doesn't come through the EMA Cloud, and we adjust our trailing stop above that pivot. We get another pivot to come and test the EMA Cloud. Doesn't close up above the EMA Cloud, so we adjust again. We then move down. You see how the divergence cloud starts to disappear here. We get another test, tries to break out of that EMA Cloud, but it doesn't quite make it. So that now is our trailing stop position. We then come back up to test the EMA Cloud. You can see here we've got different colored candles, and these are our volume behavior candles. So we can see here we've got 3 green candles. So each candle is an up candle, but it has more volume. And as soon as we get those 3 and it starts to push up through there, we get out, we take our profit as it closes up above that EMA Cloud. We get 4-star and 5-star buys here, but we've got no Divergence Cloud confirmation. Okay, we're getting a bat pattern form right here as well on this current move, but there's no Divergence Cloud confirmation. So just to reiterate, you know, using this day trading bundle on Forex, you can just take Harmonic trades or just take XBrat trades. They're the signal generators for different types of trading strategies. Then combining them gives you an even higher probability move. Now, it doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, you usually get the Harmonic first, then you get the XBrat, and you've got the Divergence Cloud confirmation. So all the stars are aligned. It looks, you know, this is a hot trade. And as you can see here, this is what happens. Harmonic first, then the xBratAlgo, then the Divergence Cloud, boom, away we go, all the way down. Manage it with the EMA Cloud, which is very, very important, and we're good to go. So it's very, very simple. Even if we didn't trade the Harmonic pattern here, we still got the XBrat, and we've got the Divergence Cloud confirmation, so we trade the XBrat. So again, we're looking for the high probability moves where we get signals from different strategies saying you've got to go short, which is really good. They happen probably 20 to 30% of the time. The rest of the time, you'll either get Harmonic or XBrat, but they're both good on their own, as long as you get the Divergence Cloud confirmation before you enter the trade. And again, those trade entries, lots of videos on this channel about trade entries on different time frames and how I've put those strategies together. A lot of it is to look left. When we look left here, we've got some pivots that we want to get through before we go short. And that's pretty much basic. And one of the basic ones for XBrat is when we get the signal candle, if we're going short, if we break that low of that signal candle on the next candle, that's when we go short for that XBrat type of strategy. So again, high probability trading strategy using the day trading bundle. This is the Ninja Trader version. There's versions for lots of platforms like Thinkorswim, MT4, TradingView, Motive Wave, TradeStation. You know, we developed for all of them. Please subscribe to this channel because there'll be lots of training videos again, because if I can show you these high probability moves and talk about how to manage and enter these trades and use these strategies, and you just keep repeating and watching all of these different trading videos, you will start to repeat the same successful strategy. So have a great trading day, and I'll speak to you all really soon.